I have an exciting topic for you that could make a real difference in your midlife journey. So, the three best superfoods that can balance your hormones and easy those not so great menopause symptoms. So, hello everyone, and welcome to Teach the Diet Studio channel. If you're a woman in your midlife and you understand how challenging this midlife could be, it could give us extra weight from nothing, night sweats, hot flashes, and other uncomfortable symptoms. And we know by now it could be over 80 menopausal symptoms. If you don't know me, I am Lilia, your registered holistic nutritionist and fitness coach, and I've done some research for you to bring this valuable information. Let's talk about superfoods. What are superfoods? Superfoods are a term used to describe certain nutrient-rich foods that have an exceptional benefits for our health and our well-being. These foods are packed with a lot of good stuff: vitamins, minerals, other nutrients, antioxidants, enzymes, and other essential nutrients that support our bodies in many different ways. So now the question is, are superfood good for you, for us, for everybody? So if we will take one superfood, are they super food for every single person on this earth? The concept of superfoods has gained popularity more recently. In these days, you hear all the time superfood, as people around the world have become more knowledgeable, more interested in health, nutrition, and how food impacts our health. Agree? So while it is true that our ancestors didn't specifically refer to superfoods, they did consume local traditional foods that provided them with essential nutrients that they can live longer, healthier life. Learning about the foods that our ancestors ate can be a smart way to stay healthy, and these foods match well with our bodies and where our families originally lived, which helps us have a good mix of nutrients of our whole well-being. So whether your roots came from Europe, Africa, or elsewhere, exploring and incorporating locally sourced and traditional foods can be a very valuable addition to a healthy diet. So, in other words, say, if my ancestors, my genes, my grandparents came from Europe, so probably my superfood would be what they consumed. My superfood that is in my genes, the way I made, would be probably cabbage, root vegetables, yes, and not papaya or even banana, because we didn't have that. Basically, what is the solution? The solution is think from where your roots came from and try to incorporate that food. But today we are going to talk about benefits, how much you're supposed to consume, and what could be the outcome. Only three foods and true superfoods, and try to watch to the end because I'm going to give you an interesting formula. Okay, so the first superfood is one of my favorite, It's flaxseed. Yep. These tiny little nutritional powerhouses are rich in omega 3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. So think about all trees quickly. Omega 3 fatty acids are anti inflammatory. Inflammation in the body considered to be beginning of many deadly diseases. Now, according to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, consuming only 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds a day has been found to reduce hot flashes, night sweats in menopausal women significantly. It also helps because it helps to regulate hormones to balance them, which is essential during the midlife time. And it also can contribute to weight loss. So, how to consume flax seed? You're not consuming flax seeds like this, right? Why? Because our body cannot break down these little seeds. Is it bad to consume flax seeds in a seed? No, it's not. But the body won't be able to retrieve the nutrients. So, what is the answer? The answer is ground them. Ground them yourself. Don't buy grounded already, because as soon as you open the package with grounded one, it will start oxidizing, and we don't want that. Now, moving to the next one. So, watch. I'm going to show you. What is it? Can you see? Another seeds. Even smaller. Chia seeds. Yeah. These small seeds are packed also with kind of similar nutrients as flax seeds: omega 3 fatty acids, anti inflammatory, fiber, antioxidants, no lignans. Lignans only for flaxseed, right? So research suggests that including 1 or 2 tablespoons a day of chia seeds may help stabilize hormonal fluctuations during menopause and reduce uncomfortable symptoms, including weight gain, night sweats, anxiety, depression, stress. So, chia seeds, they don't need to be grounded. Why? Because our body can break down the seed. Our final superfood is wild caught salmon. So, salmon, another packed food with omega 3 fatty acids, but now this is the animal fatty acid. This is the best absorbable one for the body and the most concentrated in omega 3. Salmon also can help reduce inflammation in the body and support bone health. Huge part, especially when we are getting older. We have joint problem, knees problem, hips problem. So because of extra weight, because we don't produce estrogen naturally from ovaries anymore, and that affect bone health. So in a study published in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, omega 3 fatty acids coming from salmon were associated with a decrease in the frequency of intensity of hot flashes in menopausal women. So, to get the full benefits, try to include 2 to 3 servings of wild caught salmon in your weekly meal. Will be okay. Now, if you don't like fish, then this is your answer. You need to take supplementation for omega 3. A must. and you need to have a good quality, investigate about heavy metals, and do your research and choose the best brand. That's all I have for you today. 3 fantastic superfood that can help you balance your hormones, reduce hot flashes and night sweats, and other uncomfortable menopausal symptoms. Remember, proper nutrition plays a huge crucial role in managing perimenopause and beyond, and consuming the recommended amount of these superfoods can make a real big difference. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to give me a like, a thumb up, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips how to navigate midlife and beyond.